Rightio, so it's been a minute since I made a video, so I thought I'd just make a video on me cleaning the new whip. We might go for a drive or something, but I need to fix the battery first. Got a new battery terminal that I need to put on one of these ones. So we'll do that first and we'll give her a clean. Right, so I've hit a bit of a roadblock, but we'll make something work. Might just involve some cutting, but we'll see how we go. And if you're wondering why I changed it over, because this one's a piece of and it was too big for the post. So got that one from Dad, shout out to Dad. Just changed it over and this one can go in the bin. Right, let's clean it.
City breathing, lights are heavy. I feel something understeady. No more talking, no more signs, just your shadow crossing lines. Call my body, call my body. Let the rhythm take control. Call my body, call my body. Let the music touch my soul.
How good is it driving a clean car? I just wanted to make a video pretty much.
Slow touch, cold skin, neon running under my skin. Your eyes don't lie when the bass hits my spine.